What's up, guys? It's your girl, Natural Hair is Key. I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how I get these super defined curls from a twist out. And it's from a product you can make right at home. So, of course, it is the Flaxseed Gel. I love this stuff. This is like a holy grail to me. I don't think I will be buying any more gel. But of course, we're going to be using the goat and flaxseed. Organic, of course. And we're going to fill up our pot with some water. Almost full, but not all the way. And then we're going to turn that on medium high to get it boiling. Then we're going to take 1/4 cup of our flax seeds and we're going to dump that into the pot and wait for that to start to boil. And I did kind of let this sit a little bit and boil before I started to stir it because I knew it was going to take a little bit. I believe this took me about 15 to 20 minutes to actually make the flaxseed gel. But I am stirring it just to try to see like where the consistency is, but it's not quite there. So I continue to let it boil. Now we're getting to the point where it is starting to get slimy. When you see this part, you know it's starting to set up and it's starting to get ready. And then I would say this is the final test. When your spoon leaves the residue on there and it's slimy, you know it's good to go. And now I'm just gonna let it cool. And it looks like Jell-O, doesn't it? Okay, so now we're to the point where we're going to squeeze out the flaxseed. So we're taking this knee-high that I grabbed from the store at Walmart. Probably was about $2. And I'm basically about to do a no-no. So make sure you pay attention to what I'm about to do so that you don't do this. The issue is my bowl was too small and I should have grabbed a bigger bowl. I don't know what I was thinking, but trial and error, right? At the end of the day, it all came out positive, so that's all that matters. So basically, I just covered the bowl up with the knee-high, but I shouldn't have covered it all the way. I should have left a tab up since the bowl is so small. And then I basically wasted it and had to scoop it into the pot again and then pour back into the knee-high. And then I'm going to squeeze that out. And this part is just so satisfying to me. And then I'm just going to pour that right into my squeeze bottle. So that when I'm ready to do my hair, which you will see coming up on my next tutorial. And then I'm just going to put the rest of the flaxseed gel into a container with a lid. After I get done spilling. But other than that, this is a pretty easy, simple recipe. I think next time I'm going to add oil to it. Just so, you know, I just have that extra moisture as well. But I don't know if I'm going to record that or not. We'll just wait and see. But I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I will catch you on my next video.